Hey guys, Chris here from SMARTS, talking today about our new boot seal tool for any of you guys out there who need to service your boots. It's a great tool, it makes it super handy rather than using a socket or a PVC pipe or something along those lines. Let's get started and I'll show you how that works. Alright guys, we'll get started. As you can see, unfortunately our boot on our Gladiator here, it's in our shop, is torn over time just from use and just we may have actually pumped too much grease in it at one point in time. So we're going to start with a screwdriver and just start by prying this bottom one off and just lightly working it around the edge, working that old seal off. As you can see, it popped off pretty easily. There's a little retainer ring in there that makes that seal on this bottom edge. At that point, grab yourself some paper towel or a shop rag, whatever you like to use. Give it a quick wipe. Now we do sell these service boots individually. When you do replace these boots and take off the nylock nut from the original end, we do recommend replacing this, as the nylock will wear out if you try to take it off and put it back on for later use. So we've already got our new 30mm boot for our end. Slide that on so it's even. Alright guys, so as you can see, the boot seal tool is just this plastic looking cup here. It will come with a nut and a washer as well. You're going to slide that over the boot application so it's even on the edge, all the way around the edges here. Put your washer on, your nut. I'm going to get that snug down. You're going to take your, guys, we got a 22mm wrench. We're just going to snug this up the rest of the way. And watch the boot seal go down until it's evenly flush with the ends. All right, and then you're going to back that off once the boot looks like it's completely sealed up. You can unscrew that by hand. Once that's off, pop this tool back off. Verify that your seal on the bottom edge here is completely all the way flush with the bar itself. At that point, you can bolt this back up. Put a little grease on this edge here. Bolt this back up to your end, whether it's the pitman arm side or the tie rod end sides. All right guys, we just wrapped up the install and put our bar back up, torqued that nut back to our torque specs. We do recommend you check out our torque spec verifications on our instruction pages on our website. If you still have questions for us, give us a call back at 888-846-9384. We'll be happy to help you out with this install. Thanks, have a great day.